Everyone, how is everyone doing today? My name is Gina and I'm doing well. So today, I got this book. I've been watching a couple of new YouTubers, and they've been doing things out of this book. Create This Book by Moriah Elizabeth, and she actually has a YouTube channel as well. But what I saw, I really enjoyed the book. I like doing these kind of books. I have a Wreck It journal, or Wreck This journal, something like that, and I tried to do it, but I don't know. I'm so old school that wrecking a book, I just can't do. It just pains me so. So I thought this book will probably be a little bit more my style. So, you know, there's like she's saying that you'll enjoy this book if you like if you're creative, if you want to become more creative, which I do. You enjoy doodling. I enjoy doodling and journaling. Do that. Art lover, want to have fun, bored, uninspired, blah, blah, blah. So, you know, so it tells you that, and there's also a tips and tricks for this. Now this paper, from what everybody else has said from the two YouTubers that I've seen this with, this paper is very thin, and I can tell it's very thin. So the best things to use on it, she's saying, you know, is pens, acrylic paint, pencils, colored pencils, crayons, chalk, and charcoal, and other decorative materials like gems and stickers and scrapbook paper and, you know, washi tape and stuff like that. If you want to do wet work though, or if you want to use like your Copic markers, then you need to probably use a different piece of paper and then glue it onto the page. So I have this sketchbook, and I got it from Walmart. It's very cheap. It's like $5, $4.95, and it is, I'm not kidding you, I love the sketchbook. Even though I do have this sketchbook as well that I sketch in. This is the one that you know, I just do my little sketches in and all that kind of stuff, and my drawing classes that I'm doing is in this book and everything like that, right? So this one, again, you know, just a little bit of sketching, but what I really like about this book is it takes watercolor very well. This is all watercolor here. I believe I used my markers on these right here, and I believe this was pencils that I used and then turned it into the watercolor pencils. This right here, and this is my swatches for the marker, alcohol markers. So it does bleed through. Alcohol markers will bleed through, but the watercolor pages does not, because this is strictly watercolor here. So this was me practicing the other day. I was just sitting and practicing my, you know, watercoloring while I was watching television. And I just love this paper because it takes watercolor beautifully. And, you know, just doodles. And it took that ink, but this is Indian ink. So it took that ink pretty well. So the only ink that really bleeds through is the Ohu markers, the alcohol ink. So I will probably use this paper because I'll probably use some watercoloring, and plus it will fit, you know, pretty well on the page. It might be a little bit long, and I might just have to cut that part out. But other than that, and again, this is super cheap. Walmart, $4.95, and I love the sketchbook. It's not so good for maybe like sketching with pencil or graphite, you know, because this seems to take the graphite a lot better, the sketchbook does. But as far as the watercolor, it I love it for the watercolor aspect. So there you go. All right, and it's very affordable. So with that said, I think I want to do one page today. I want to maybe try to do two, but it just depends on how much time I have, right? And I mentioned the other day that I changed my room around, and so I'm working on the lighting, so I'm still trying to get the lighting down. I'm trying with that. All right, there was a page on here, and now I have to find it. Let me find it, and I will come back. So I've found the page. It's page 124, 125. Create smudges. So it's saying to coat your fingers with ink, paint, or charcoal, smudge the color across the page. Now, I want to play with my soft pastels. I have not played with them in so long I don't remember. I want to do like a seascape kind of sort of thing here, right? So I think I'm going to sketch it out first, and then I will use the, and I just got charcoal on me. Let's see, I need an eraser, should take that off. Alright, so let's see, because this has got a hump there, let's just do a little boat right here, and I'm faintly gonna draw it, and then come down, kind of like this, right? Do I want it that little? I think I do. I think I want it that small. Alright, and then we'll do like little, like, you know, the waves over the boat. And we'll do a little bit of waves over here. And let's go ahead and get the sail in here. Let's create our horizon, which, let's see, I might need to draw, well, this is harder than what I thought. Alright. Here, I'm going to draw the horizon first. That might help me get my perspective better. So there's my horizon. So now let's draw the boat. And I'm going to draw it pretty big this time. That looks better, doesn't it? Alright, so let's erase this line here. I'm going to bring the horizon down just a tad, just a touch, just a touch. Right, like there. There we go, like that. Now we have our ocean, little lines in for the waves, right? Whoop, whoop. And then over here, let's see, let's put we'll put some clouds in. That's a funky looking cloud. Who knew clouds were so difficult to draw? Just something like that. And let's just put a simple little land like a little island here, right? So we got a little island there. Hope y'all can see what's going on. Let's see. Yeah. All right. So I've got it pretty much sketched out here. What I want is very lightly sketched. I hope that y'all can see that. All right. Let's start with, I'm going to go from the top down because, you know, you'll get smudgy. And I'm going to use just, I don't know what colors these are. They're just in my thing here. So, let's just start with this color. Okay, so I've got my blending stuff here, but it's got some graphite from when I was working with it the other day. And so I need to clean that off. And so I've got a file. This is just a fingernail file that I bought at Sally's. And we used it. So I use it on a lot of different things, but it works just fine. It sharpens this, but it also gets off all that old stuff that was on there. So that works beautifully. And you can also use a paper towel too. Even though we're supposed to be, well, this is technically still using our finger, right? I like it. It was so fun to do. I like it a lot. Maybe I shouldn't have put the black down here for the little ripples, but that's okay. I don't mind. It was fun to do. So that is that page right there. I need to date it. I want to date it. Always, always date it. Okay. See, today is the 11th, I believe. Alright. That's so cute. Alright, what I want to do is I want to spray it with fixative, because if I don't, it will get everywhere. That much I do know. Alright, so I will do that and I'll be back. Alright, y'all. Well, that's it for today. I want to try to make this a weekly series. So I'm trying to get this out for Friday because I want to do it for Fridays. And today is Thursday, so I'm a little short on time because I just got this book a couple of days ago. So, and then I had other things to do, so I only had time today to really play with it. So, but hopefully next week I might do 2 or 3 pages, just depending again on how much time I have. So, be on the lookout for that video, and I'll also link down in the description where I got the book. I'm pretty sure I got it from Amazon, and I'll link everybody's YouTube channels down below in case you want to go and check out what they're doing in the book as well. I always love watching what other people do in the same media, you know, like, so a bunch of people are doing this book, and it's so fascinating how everybody comes up with the different ideas of what to do on that page, you know. So I like watching it, so, you know, that's why I'll go ahead and put that down for y'all. Alright, y'all. Well, thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe if you've not already subscribed. That will help my channel grow, and I would appreciate it very, very much. And because, you know, I don't get paid. I don't have sponsors. I don't have anything like that. So when y'all like a video and comment on it, it does help my channel, because then YouTube is like, oh, people really do like her, so let's recommend her, and then more people will watch. And, you know, I'll get more views, and it just will help my channel to grow, and I would really appreciate it. And those that have already subscribed and that already comment and like, oh, thank you so much. I appreciate y'all so, so, so much. So thank y'all. But don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified for every time that I post a video. All right, y'all. Y'all be good to one another, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.